Okie dokie. Today is a sunscreen day. Aaron is doing stuff for work. He's had numerous meetings this morning. It's Wednesday. I'm getting at least a bite to eat before I head into town, so I'm not like, as I joked to Aaron, shoving 9 Dunkin' Donuts in my mouth while sipping coffee because I'm so ravenously hungry. Anyways, they're dumping dirt out there on the thing. Look at this. They're like, they put down the black one, and now they have this white tarp down over the whole thing, and now they're putting dump trucks of dirt on it. Which makes me wonder, like, okay, so is the big field going to be like concrete with a little bit of rug on it, and this one's going to be actual turf? I don't. Stay tuned over the next couple days. Probably there'll be another update on Saturday's video for you guys, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head into town and go see that bridge. All right, so zoom back out. Yeah, there we are. So first thing on the list is I'm gonna go check out Hanky Panky and see if they can do anything. Probably not gonna have any tattoo work done today. I just wanna see if they think they can do anything about it. Oh, super interesting. All those little dot things, the pedestals, yeah. If you guys seen other bike things, those are just the lights that'll hold up the ceiling for the bike thing. But yes, we're having a wonderful sunny day in Amsterdam. I mean, literally, look, Centraal Station. This is where all the tourist boats things are at. That's where I walk down to go to Dam Square. I gotta have to side of my, as Gabriel would say, the side of my chocolate leg. So we're doing good exercise if I'm that sore. There's Ouderkerk. I'm going down this way because I think this is the canal that the red light district's on. There's a fucking seagull right there. The amount of Germans that are bombed out of their brain walking down the street is amazing. Okay, so Hanky Panky's down there. They don't have... The normal artists are all on holiday or something right now, so that was interesting. She looked at this, she goes, oh, this was not taken care of at all. I was like, great, that's what I need to hear. That's exactly what I need to hear. That I was a failure. Hopefully they can maybe fix it. Not a good day. Let's go find that bridge. Should be back... That's the Red Lake District. Maybe it's down that... I'll go check. Oh, it's literally right on the other side of... Yeah. Oh, there it is. Wow, that's... Wow. As you guys can see, we're just sort of like set into place. Cute little canal, erotic boutique. I mean, yeah. That's not what I needed to hear today. I mean, it's a cool bridge, but that's also not what I needed to hear today from the tattoo lady. Basically, that I just... Like, everyone's so up in arms about my tattoo, and I'm just like, guys, I really tried my best. And apparently my best isn't enough, and that's... Every day I look at my tattoo, I see that. And the one thing is, even if I were to get it removed, like, I would still have the scarring there. Look at that bridge. Just so cool. It's got the little holes right there for breathability. I'll put a link down below so you guys can see, like, oh, MX3D. That little thing right there says what it, right here, sorry. Right there is what it is. One of the weird things I notice about tourists is the fact that I'm not expecting everyone to be an absolute professional photographer. I'm walking back to Central now. I need to get some coffee. I'm still really emotional from what happened at Hanky Panky, which is weird, but they're not therapists, they're artists. Anyways, is that this guy was trying to take a picture of Central from across the canals, and he kept zooming like my phone has between like 3 trees, 2 trees, and 1 tree. That's just preset zooms, and it's basically narrow focus, wide angle, or normal. But he was switching between 2 trees and 3 trees, trying to click the shutter button. And I'm like, bro, you can use your finger. Like, they don't even know how to function their phones. But yeah, I'm basically just walking around Centrum with a high level of anxiety right now, because that's just how things go. Aaron's done his best to try to comfort me in this tough time, but I'm still bad. I feel like a failure. Oh, there's Biomir. I quickly entered into a Pokemon raid. It's for Sableye. Whatever. Since I'm actually here at the thing, I don't run the bad thing of running my remote raids. I'm not feeling good. I was talking to Aaron most of the metro ride here because, at least on WhatsApp, because I just like the beginning of June, it took me down a peg. I don't feel good about it right now. And I hope to God the 2 people that were there last year when I was there, they help and they can calm me a little bit, or an email or something. I just, right now, and as Aaron says, this too shall pass. There's just swing by Burger King when I get done at Decathlon. New shoes, new running shorts. Well, the ones that function as underwear. I need to get a large if I can. Just try not to buy things, retail therapy and Decathlon. I mean, I have my backpack and we have money, but Fast and the Furious 9. Well, at least it's not Wonder Woman anymore. Fast and the Furious 9? Alain in the bioscope. Fuck off. Alright, so I got one more of those. I got a large instead. So, because I need to take my shoes to the Symphony or whatever it takes, but I'm getting these because they look different. Because I keep buying the exact same shoes. And I just alternate between them because that way I know which ones are new and which ones are not. But yeah, I'm probably going to get a Whopper after this. It was not the day I was expecting the day to turn. It was not the turn I was expecting. I can't even talk right now. Maybe I'll go check out some football stuff. The guy was over there inflating the solid orange, barely a rugby balls with an air compressor, and I was like, oh no. For those of you that are wondering why I don't get rugby cleats, I go with soccer cleats, I don't have enough cleats, or I can get rugby cleats where I can kill vampires. I mean, these are okay, but look how few those are. I don't know. Jesus Christ! I promised Aaron I was gonna come home later, but I just can't be out anymore today. I told him I wouldn't be home till after 4 because he has a pretty intense meeting at 3 o'clock or 3:30. It's 3:35 right now. Just couldn't anymore. I'm just gonna lay in the bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry. I hope the bridge was something. The shopping and stuff, but I've been trying to put on a great face.